Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new for you. I am going to design a Christmas tablescape, and this is inspired by my sister Decisive Designs. That's her YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. But I'm gonna start. This is a round table and I'm gonna start with this runner. So this is a sheer background runner with rust, gold and silver design. And I'm going to start by adding my utensil to the table. So first I'm gonna add my plate mats. So I'm gonna design for 4 persons to sit around this table. Alright, so guys, remember I am learning. Alright, so see with me. So first, that's first, and it's white plate mat with some nicely, you can check it out, the detail, so pretty. And then I'm gonna add my charger to the table. What is a charger, guys? These are chargers. You have different types of charger. Alright, look at this one. It's gorgeous. Look at it. It's gold with some sprinkles. And it's so nice. So the charger helps to layer your plates perfectly on the table. So that's the first one. And then I'm gonna add the next one. Okay, and next we are going to add our different size plates on the charger. So I have here these plates. Right, different sizes. Look at them. Look at how pretty they are. Look at it. I think my sister bought this from Home Goods. Yes, nice. And you can see the gold around the edges of the plates. That matches the charger. So you're gonna put one each on the charger. Right. Okay. Nice. And then the next layer, this size. And guys, if you come closer, you see all the gold rim. Look at it. It's looking so pretty already. So nice. Look at it. Wow. This is how you design a tablescape. Yes. Right. And then we are going to be adding our glass to the table. And guys, I have some beautiful glass here. Oh, they are so pretty. Look at them. Look at the ring. This one of blue with this look like rose gold or brown. Look at it. They're gorgeous. And they came in one box with different color around them. This looks like pink and this is blue. Right? So my table is coming on. Look at it, it's setting nicely. So for the napkin holder, this is what you do, guys. I have the napkin holder here and I have the napkin. This is what I was told, how to add your napkin to the holder. Nice. Look at this, guys. Look at how it falls nicely and it looks So good. You just place it like that. Isn't that lovely? Wow. And you do it for the others, right? Get up like this, and then you just add this to the ring. So beautiful. Look at the pattern. It's just nice. Look at it. Look at that. I am learning. I'm gonna be a designer like my sister is. And the same thing for this one. Yes. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. It is so pretty. Right? And the final one, you do the same. So guys, by this, you should be an expert on this one. Alright? So both of us learning. You and I are learning today these things. Look at my table already. Oh my God, it's looking so gorgeous. And for this, I have a candle holder. It's 3 and it's on different level. And it's between gold and silver. And I'm going to add these candles to it. You know, when you are at your Christmas dinner and you have a well-set table with candle lit, it looks so beautiful. Alright, and what else can I add now? Yes, I can add this silver right here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Next, I'm gonna add my cutlery. Yes, so I have my knife and I have my fork, right? So you know how to place your knife and fork at your table because your table is ready now. It's ready for your dinner, your Christmas dinner, your event, whatever it is. You're setting your table for that event. So we're adding our cutlery. Right? Okay. Isn't that looking lovely already? It's so beautiful. And guys, you can add anything else you want to enhance your tablescape with, to bring out anything you wish to highlight. Yes, it's Christmas now, so I choose to add some small Christmas tree, different style. So, and I think this is it. I think I just designed my first tablescape. What do you think? How does this look? And if I light these candles, turn off the lights and see the effect of what I just did, just like that. You can do it too. Go ahead and design your table for Christmas. You can add other utensils based on what you have. Maybe a dessert, maybe some ice cream, so you can add it, or maybe some soup. You can add your soup spoon and your dessert spoon for ice cream. Alright, so please go out and support our channel, Decisive Designs, my sister channel. She's very good at tablescape. She has lots of tablescape idea over there. Go ahead and check them out. And this one, she helped me to design this one today. I'm so proud of myself. First I was saying, what am I going to say? How am I going to do this? It's my first time. But I did it, guys. Go ahead, like, share, and comment. You can use any colors you want. You don't have to stick to these colors. You can use your color preference. Alright guys, remember to like my videos, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about my first time designing a Tablescape. Alright guys, bye for now.